Heaviest animals in the world.
Have you ever noticed the beauty and diversity of our nature? The intriguing variety of flora and fauna, whether in its size, shape, habitat or body structure.
Whether it is size, shape, habitat, or body structure, Mother Nature always leaves us mesmerized when we look at it up close. Although all top 10 heaviest creatures alive would be all whales, for the sake of diversity in our list, we have skipped them. Whether on land or in the sea, we find these giant creatures everywhere, ranging from whales to elephants. From herbivore rhinos to carnivore sharks, let's take a look at the heaviest animals in the world. Blue whales weigh 200 tons.
The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet, weighing as much as 200 tons, approximately 33 elephants. The blue whale has a heart the size of a Volkswagen Beetle. Its stomach can hold 1 ton of krill and it needs to eat about 4 tons of krill each day. They are the loudest animals on Earth and are even louder than a jet engine. Their calls reach 188 decibels. While a jet reaches 140 decibels, their low-frequency whistle can be heard for hundreds of miles and is probably used to attract other blue whales.
North Pacific right whale weighs 77 tons.
North Pacific right whales can reach 15 to 18.3 meters, 49 to 60 feet in length as adults. Larger than the North Atlantic right whale. Typical body mass is from 50, 0080, 00110, 00180, or to 100,000 kilograms to 200, which weighs twice as of typical humpback whales.
Whale shark weight 15 tons.
The whale shark is the largest living shark alive today. It's a big fish that can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh up to 15 tons. Most specimens are around 40 feet long and weigh around 15 tons. However, in 2001, the largest ever known whale shark was found that measured 60 feet in length and weighed over 60 tons. These types of shark shave plankton and tiny krill or small fish are their only sources of food.
African elephant weight 2-7 tons.
Talking about one of the biggest animals in the world, this African walking giant can weigh up to 7 tons and is found in 37 African countries. But don't get intimidated by the size. Elephants can be very friendly to humans. But let's not confuse friendly with keeping it as a pet. It is always advised to keep up your guard when going around such huge creatures. When angry, the results can be deadly. Because of being so enormously large, the male elephants take almost 35-40 years to grow to their full size, which is almost their half lifespan. But also, their cubs can stand on their feet within minutes of birth. It is also listed as one of the longest living animals in the world.
Elephant seal weight 3 tons.
Southern elephant seals get their name from the mature male's enormous noses, which are employed to generate loud roaring sounds. They are large ocean-going mammals whose adults can weigh as much as 3,000 kilograms. During the 19th century, the population of the northern and southern elephant seals was on the brink of extinction.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamuses love water, which is why the Greeks named them the river horse. Hippos spend up to 16 hours a day submerged in rivers and lakes to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos are graceful in water, good swimmers, and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. However, they are often large enough to simply walk or stand on the lake floor, or lie in the shallows. Their eyes and nostrils are located high on their heads, which allows them to see and breathe while mostly submerged. It is not uncommon for a full-grown hippo to eat up to 150 pounds of grass in a 5 to 6 hour span.
Rhinoceros 3 tons.
The average white rhinoceros weighs in at around 7,700 pounds, but the largest ever recorded tipped the scales at nearly 10,000 pounds. They can grow to be nearly 14 feet long. Interestingly, white rhinos are not white and black rhinos are not black. These huge creatures might look overweight and slow, but they have a top speed of up to 40 miles per hour.
Walrus 1 tons.
Walruses tend to eat clams, but other foods they will ingest include crabs, sea cucumbers, mollusks, shrimp, and sometimes even seals. On an average day, a walrus can eat up to 250 pounds of food, and it is not uncommon for one walrus to eat thousands of clams in one day. Dominance is established by weight and tusk size. The heaviest bull with the longest tusks is almost always the leader, with smaller males and those with broken tusks having low social rankings.
Giraffe 1, 9 tons.
Though not the heaviest animal on Earth, the giraffe is the tallest. It can grow to 18 feet, which makes it well adapted to life among the tall trees in the dry savannas and the acacia stands of sub-Saharan Africa. The giraffe drinks in the morning and the evening, then spends the rest of the day eating and chewing its cud. Drinking involves splaying its front legs, bending its neck down, and regulating its very high blood pressure so that its brain doesn't hemorrhage.
Gaur 1, 5 tons.
Asian gaurs are the most abundant species of cattle in the world. They are native to South Asia. Asian gaur has a body length between 2.5 and 3.5 meters and weighs up to 2,500 lbs. Asian gaurs have a massive head and sharp horns. The male gaurs are 30% larger than the females.
Bison 1, 3 tons.
Bison are the iconic image of the Great Plains and the Old West. They are massive, shaggy beasts and the heaviest land animals in North America. Despite their hefty size, bison are quick on their feet. When the need arises, they can run at speeds up to 40 miles, 65 kilometers an hour. Their curved, sharp horns can grow to be 2 feet 61 centimeters long. Females, cows, and adult males bulls generally live in small, separate bands and come together in very large herds during the summer breeding season. Males wage battles for mating rights, but such contests rarely turn dangerous. Females give birth to one calf after a 9-month pregnancy.